3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This way to your new home. Hi, this is Janice with Emerge Real Estate Champions, coming to you with 709 West High Street, right here in Mount Vernon. Let's go inside and check it out. Okay, one thing I love about this home is it has a beautiful wraparound porch, and as soon as you come in, you'll be surprised with the colors that they use, but honestly, it is very rich colors and it really complements the house well. The dining room area, and they were using this room as an additional bedroom. One thing that I absolutely love about the main floor is the kitchen. It is an ample kitchen, it's an eating kitchen. It has the laundry right over here. I absolutely love the countertops. They're a marble effect and they're newer. And look at all of this cabinetry. It is just such a nice kitchen. The sliding glass doors are absolutely brand new. It leads you right into the backyard. So right here is your fenced in backyard, perfect for a swing set. You have pets. And now we're gonna go to the 2 bedrooms and the full bath. It's upstairs. Here you have your bathroom with a full-size tub and a full-size closet. The floors on the second floor are completely new, and this room is newly painted. My name is Janice with Emerge Real Estate Champions. If you want to see this house or any of the house, call me 419-528-8190. Bye.